To NASA, an asteroid will pass extremely close to the Earth the day before the election in the United States. An asteroid is due to pass extremely close to Earth just before Election Day in the US. This will happen in November, but there's no reason to worry. According to NASA, this space rock poses no risk to our planet. Asteroid 2018 VP1 will zoom past Earth on November 2, which is one day before Americans vote for the next president. In a year where unpredictable disasters have seemingly become the routine, NASA is working hard to calm fears of a potential collision between an asteroid and the Earth in 2020, because many persons are just simply worried that this could be the next big thing. According to NASA, even if this asteroid were to hit the Earth's atmosphere, it would be too small to do any damage to the Earth or pose any threat to the people on Earth. Asteroid 2018 VP1 is very small. It is approximately 6.5 feet, and according to NASA, it poses no threat to the Earth. The NASA Asteroid Watch team has mentioned that it currently has 0.41% chance of entering our planet's atmosphere. However, if asteroid 2018 VP1 entered the Earth's atmosphere, it would disintegrate due to its extremely small size. Scientists at the Transient Facility at Caltech's Palomar Observatory discovered asteroid 2018 VP1 in 2018. They have struggled to track the location of this asteroid since then. This is because of its small size. So they have struggled to track the asteroid's location and trajectory as a result of it being too small. Researchers at NASA have formally catalogued near-Earth objects since 1998. They have discovered approximately 19,000 near-Earth objects. None of these known near-Earth objects could be potentially hazardous to the planet, and they are on track to pass Earth in the near future. According to the agency, asteroids fly past Earth all the time, sometimes without anyone being aware of it. In the past week, an asteroid became the closest ever recorded space object, flying within 1,830 miles of our Earth, and scientists were not even aware of the existence of this particular asteroid until many hours after it had already passed the Earth. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this asteroid that will fly past the Earth just before Election Day on November 2, 2020. Of course, do you see this as a sign? Do you see this as another potential disaster that may happen in 2020? Well, NASA says it poses no threat, so we have no need to worry.